Hello guys, so today we are going to solve this question. Okay, so for solving this, first we will, let us say this is our integral. We will integrate these whole terms individually. Okay, so therefore it is equals to integral, this is 5x square, so it will be equals to 5 integral x 5 integral x square dx, because we are integrating it with respect to x. All right, after that we will write 2. We are taking constant terms out of the integral because there is no integration of them. Okay, minus 5 dx minus 7 integral x dx. Okay, plus integration of 1 by, I am writing 1 under root x to x raised to power 1 by 2 because these two things are equal. Okay, square root can be written as the power by 1 by 2. Okay, after that there is one more term which is 5 integral 1 upon x dx. All right, after that 5 here, 5 as it is. X square, integral of x square is, we know the power formula of integration, which is integral x raised to power n dx is equals to x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So therefore here we will write x raised to power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus 2, x raised to power minus 5 plus 1 over minus 5 plus 1 plus, oh sorry, we will write this term first. Okay, x raised, now this term is in the denominator, so first of all we will convert this to the numerator. Okay, so its power will be equals to x raised to power minus 1 by 2, and now we are going to use this here, which is x raised to power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 over minus 1 by 2 plus 1, because there is no direct formula for solving this in the denominator. Okay, after that minus 7 x raised to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus 5 log mod x. After that we will write plus c. Okay, now further evaluating, we will get x 5 upon 3 x raised to power 3. Now here is minus 4, so it will be minus 2 by 4 x raised to power minus 4. This is equals to evaluate it first. Okay, minus 1 by 2 plus 1, we can write like 2 by 2. Okay, it is equals to 1 by 2. So here plus sign and x raised to power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 minus 7 upon 2 x raised to power 2 plus 5 log mod x plus c. All right, after that 5 by 3 x cube is correct. Now this is 1 and this is 2, minus 1 by 2 x raised to power minus 4, or we can write 1 over x raised to power 4. Now this is in the denominator. If we want to convert it into multiplication, like this is not looking right, so it will reciprocate like this, plus 2 by 1 x raised to power 1 by 2. If we want to take this to the numerator, it will reciprocate like this. Okay, minus 7 by 2 x square plus 5 log x, okay, mod x plus c, and this is equals to 5 by 3 x cube minus 1 by 2 x raised to power 4, because its power is negative. If we want to convert it into positive sign, then it will reciprocate. Okay, plus 2 x raised to power root 2 root x minus 7 by 2 x square plus 5 log mod x plus c. This is our final answer.